तो आपने रॉन्ग एफिडेविट फाइल किया हाई कोर्ट में, मिसलीडिंग एफिडेविट, मिसगाइडिंग एफिडेविट। वाई एक्शन शुड नॉट बी टेकन अगेंस्ट यू? व्हाट इज योर स्टेटस? व्हाट इज योर स्टेटस? हाँ, असिस्टेंट मैनेजर। जब आपको एफिडेविट फाइल करना नहीं पता कि कैसे एफिडेविट फाइल करना है, तो यू आर नॉट सुटेबल फॉर दैट पोस्ट।
प्रोफेशनली सॉरी सर।
नहीं नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, जो आपने बताया वही लिखाएंगे। आई एम फेयर फेयर इनफ। ऐसा मत सोचिए कि हम आपके अगेंस्ट में कोई एडवर्स ऑर्डर करेंगे, सॉरी। ऐसा हमारा इंटेंशन भी नहीं है। हम आपने जो बोला है उसी को लिखा रहे हैं।
आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी फॉर दैट।
नो नो, सॉरी कांट मेक अ डेड मैन अलाइव, मिस्टर सौरभ। यू आर अपीयरिंग बिफोर हाई कोर्ट। व्हाई यू सेंड योर सबऑर्डिनेट टू फाइल एफिडेविट? टेल मी द रीजन। इनका कहना यह है आपके ऑफिसर का कि उस जमीन में से नहीं दिया है लीज, पर थोड़ा सा दे दिया है। ये क्या है? ये आपका जवाब क्या है ये? जस्ट बताइए मिस्टर शर्मा, आपको क्या कहना है? आप तो तलवार की धार पे हैं।
Respectful submission, a very fair submission before this honorable court. I accept on behalf of my clients for this honorable court, my lord. We will not take an inch of the land which is the list between the list, my lord. What is the list between pending before this court, and we are not, and we are bound, duty bound to follow the honorable court order, my lord. My lord, we are here, my lord. My intervention application is only because of the fact that, my lord, if I may
No,
be,
no,
my lord, because they have got it.
you brought into notice of this court that lease has already been granted in favor of
Yes, my lord.
NISTEC,
We are
Nucleus
not
Tech.
aware of the fact, my lord, and entire upfront premium amount has been paid by us to the NRDA, my lord. Now, my lord, our difficulty is only, my lord, what we are requestfully submitting before this court, my lord. We have invested a huge amount of money, my lord, for the development of software technology park, my lord. My lord, we are making this statement. We will waive the land which is coming, which is under dispute, my lord, and we will
नहीं, वो तो
with
पूरा
liberty.
सब्जेक्ट
with
में जो जितना भी आपको दिए हैं सब तो सब्जेक्ट मैटर का है,
नहीं
आउट
सर,
ऑफ।
इसमें से दो ही इन्होंने एज पर एफिडेविट से दो खसरा नंबर ही आ रहा है, बाकी खसरा नंबर इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ द लैंड व्हिच इज सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ दिस प्रेजेंट पिटिशन, my lord. We are not the person who will question the acquisition proceeding, my lord, because we are not the having the locus, but we are only having the locus with regard to the consent khasa number for which the NRD has made us issue allotted us the lease, my lord. Why we were here, my lord? Because NRD has issued a blanket stay order saying that ये आपके खसरा नंबर में 5 खसरा नंबर जो है वो उसके क्लाइंट से है, तो आप पूरे काम को बंद कर दीजिए, मतलब व्हाट वी आर हियर, मतलब ओनली इफ माय प्रेयर में भी सीन, मतलब
Then देखिए, you have moved an application for intervention, and in that application you have made some prayer, ठीक है?
मतलब माय प्रेयर इज ओनली इफ आई मे बी
It can't be granted.
मतलब माय
In
प्रेयर इज ओनली
intervention application, how any relief can be granted in your favor? You should have filed a writ petition
मतलब दिस इज
challenging
नॉट द
that this
डिस्प्यूट.
is,
आई प्रे सर.
if there is any stay order passed by NRDA against you, then the right recourse available to you was to file a writ petition challenging that order. In intervention application, you will get nothing.
टेक दैट लिबर्टी, मतलब मैं को बिकॉज़ द प्रॉपर को बिकॉज़ सिंस द मैटर इज subjudice before this honorable court, that's why I thought first, my lord, that I will
You
bring.
brought the facts into the notice of this court. That's nice, but you should approach the
And only
right
the limited
recourse.
relief, my lord. We are not for the challenging the
In
appointment,
intervention application, no relief can be granted.
my lord.
That's problem, technical problem.
And my lord, what my lord, I got what my lord is saying, my lord. I go down to that. Well, only the loss. Why we were here, my lord? My lord, we are stating on bar, my lord, and we will file an appropriate application before NRD also, my lord, reserving our rights to claim vis-a-vis the lands which are in dispute, my lord, for seeking the compensation back, my lord. My lord, there are 25 khasa number which were allotted to me, my lord, over 10.03 acres
No,
flat.
no, no, move application before NRDA,
And let the
and
NRD
they will consider,
yes,
but no direction can be
my lord,
issued to the NRDA to decide your representation.
I understand, my lord. I will try and pursue the matter with the NRD,
Yes,
my lord. With that observation, my lord, my only request that my this intervention may be
the
pending, my lord.
learned, yes,
I may be
pending रहना है कि इसको डिस्पोजल कर दें?
with that direction with me, please.
Hold on, IA number so and an application for intervention moved by NICE Nucleus Tech Consulting Private Limited. Mr. Vikram Sharma would submit that during pendency of the present petition, a lease has been granted pertaining to survey number,
Sir, khasra number, my lord, it has been mentioned in para number 8, my lord.
बताइए बताइए,
खसरा number 1770, 1720,
धीरे धीरे आराम से बताइए भाई।
1770,
17 बटे
17, 17,
17 17
17,
17 20
17, 21,
17 21
18, 48,
18 48
18, 49,
18 49
18, 50,
18 50
18, 55,
18 55
18, 51,
18 51।
1868,
ये देख लेना, इसमें लिखा हुआ
Para number 4.
पैरा नंबर 4 में लिखा ऑन
my lord, on 2nd of July 2021 लेटर ऑफ अलॉटमेंट था और लीज डीड एग्जीक्यूट हुई है 23 नवंबर 23।
23/11/2023 23/11/2023। He would further submit that some survey numbers are subject matter of writ petition, the present writ petition. He would submit that the NRDA has issued an order of stay
a letter dated 14 June to maintain a status quo.
to letter dated
14/6/2024
14/6/2024 has directed the intervener to maintain status quo.
over खसरा number my lord, not on all land my lord, to 17 14 1849
एक आराम से इसमें 17
1714
17 14
1849
18 49
1851
1851
1867
1867
as well as part of खसरा number 1889,
part of
खसरा number 1889।
1889।
ये बोलते मैं
He would submit, Mr. Sharma would submit that the intervener seeks a permission of this court to make a representation before NRDA to recall the order of status quo. इसके लिए
my lord, what I will make an application before the NRDA to that we will leave the disputed land in Khasa and NRDA will
ऐसा
be
करें,
permitted to
make a
form
representation raising his grievance, and the NRDA may be directed to consider such representation. Mr. Heard. The intervener has moved an application for intervention, and in that application, relief has been sought to quash the order passed by NRDA, order of status quo passed by NRDA. As the petitioner has not filed any petition challenging the order passed by NRDA, therefore no such relief as sought as prayed by Mr. Sharma can be passed. However, the intervener would be at liberty to pursue his pending representation, or he may make a fresh representation before NRDA, and it is expected that the authority concerned will consider such application in accordance with law. With the aforesaid observation, the intervention application is disposed of. उसमें लिखिएगा रिट में, और pursuant to order dated 15/1/2025, the Chief Executive Officer NRDA is present before this court. He has submitted his unconditional apology as he could not file his own affidavit pursuant to order dated 13/1/2025. He would submit that today itself he has filed his own affidavit. Take into consideration the unconditional apology submitted by Mr. Saurabh Kumar, CEO NRDA, his personal presence is hereby dispensed with. and the affidavit is taken on, affidavit filed by him is taken on record. Mr. Sagal Kumar, next, Mr. Sagal Kumar Gupta for petitioner. Mr. Anumay Srivastav for respond number 5 along with Mr. Sarab Kumar, CEO NRDA. Mr. Rajiv Bharat for respond number 1 to 4. Mr. Subham Bajpayee for Mr. Heard on IA number 5, an application for withdrawal of Wakalatnama. This application has been moved by Advocate Mr. Pramin Das, who had filed power for NRDA. On due consideration, application is allowed. Mr. Das is permitted to withdraw his power for respond number 5. तो अब लोग करना है फाइनल, फाइनल कब करना है, कब का मैटर है ये, 13 का है ना. Post this matter in the week after next for final disposal at motion stage.
IR
to continue. केस कर दीजिए, हमने लिखा दिया ऑर्डर में कि यू हैव ऑलरेडी फाइल्ड. नहीं कुछ नहीं, अब पढ़े रहने दीजिए, रिकॉर्ड में आ गया, इट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन टेकन ऑन रिकॉर्ड. देयर आर सर्टेन ऑब्जर्वेशंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट सेट एफिडेविट. मैडम आप भी नेक्स्ट टाइम ध्यान रखिएगा, सिग्नेचर करा दीजिएगा इनका सर.